we need to see to understand how we can use them for our advantage.
Sun is shining, the weather is sweet, yeah. Make you wanna move, your dancing feet now.
So yeah, I have to say that it has been a pleasure and an honor to participate in this training. And I have to say that it has been the best training I have even participated in, because the level of participation of people and the level of interest and the level of interaction was really amazing. They showed much interest and they showed that they were also applying what they were learning from us. So I really enjoyed and appreciated my time here.
Well, my name is Patrisia Flores. I'm Peruvian. I'm a forester. I'm now the Global Academy Manager of IFOAM Organic International. But we have been invited here to give a training, a special training for the organic movement together with the KOICA Project, and we are delivering a training of trainers. And this is very important because what we mostly need now, currently, due to the challenges and the crisis in the planet, is to strengthen the capacities of agents of change around the world that will help us to transform food systems with an organic approach. We need to bring all the principles. We need to bring the principles of health, the One Health principles for all planets and living beings. We need to bring the principle of fairness so that everybody can receive the benefits of organic agriculture. We need to bring in practice the benefit of ecology, so that we work accordingly to nature and the ecosystems. And we need also to bring the principles of care, which means that we should be precautious on the kind of new technologies that are appearing, and also to take care and prevent further damage on the ecosystems and the health of the whole planet. So, greetings from Peru, from IFOAM Organics International. I'm very happy and wish you all the best here in Kyrgyzstan to move towards true sustainability.